Have you been riding for at least 3 years and are still not comfortable on trails with rocks, lots of trees, narrow sections, and elevation changes? When you see rocks, roots, steep hills, tight trails, do you get nervous and tense up? Do you ride better and have more confidence when you're around slower riders? These problems exist because you tense up and you death grip the bars. So for example, when you come up to a section of tight trails with a lot of trees, you might hold on to the bars really tight because you don't want to hit them, but what ends up happening is your handlebar hits one and then you bounce off of it, and then because you're holding on too tight, you accidentally give it more gas and whiskey throttle, and this may lead you into hitting another tree, and this can cause an injury. And if you're making this mistake, then you probably know that you need to learn some sort of basics for trail riding, but you don't know what to do other than riding more, getting more seat time. Do you need help with this? My courses and guides have helped people all over the world ride with more confidence so that you don't ride tense and nervous when you come up to a more challenging trail. So grab my free guide in the description below and then send me a message back asking how I can help you. This is Kelly Fager from Motocross Hideout. Learn more, ride more so that you can stay safe and have fun for many years to come.